I am really excited. I have never bought the Hero Arts card making kits that are exclusive to Joann Fabrics, which is actually an all-around craft store. I do get the My Monthly Hero. I do not get paid anything for saying this stuff, but I'm super excited. It looked cool. And here is the September exclusive to Joann. So there's epoxy dots in basically white, gray, and black for different sizes. There's embossing powder cast iron. I don't know if you, I think you can tell pretty well. So it's like a pewtery looking. There's an inch by inch ink cube pigment ink onyx, which is black. An inch by inch embossing and watermark. So this is like, oh wow, Versamark. And this was not, oh, hold on, let me grab this one. Oh, okay, that was the lid. This is called pewter, and it's basically black with kind of a, you can see the frost in it. And these are the, like, not dots. This is the, oh gosh, I can't think what you call it. There's other brands that do this. Stamps of Life call theirs 3D inks, but Nuvo Drops, it's like that. Now this is pretty cute, although I've got so much Halloween stuff, this wouldn't have been the thing that brought me to it. However, they're called peg dolls. I do not know what peg dolls are, but if you're into them, that's what's in the kit. Also, there's like a bat, a moon, stars, candy cane, a jack-o'-lantern that's with the handle. So like when I was a child, there's a besom, some sentiments, and there's also the jack-o'-lantern face. This is one of the things that really made me buy it. Their red rubber background stamps are phenomenal. Let's see if I don't think that really does it justice how thick they are, but it's Argyle. I do love me an Argyle, and I just thought this could be used for so many different things. I mean, just think about it. You could do like a lilac color in Easter. You could do kind of more of a red or green for those holidays. And also, because I regularly buy from Hero Arts, I know their cardstock is wonderful. I think they call this one pumpkin. It's quite thick. So like if you don't like a thicker cardstock, this is not for you. It is not the thickest, but it is a thicker one. So you can definitely die cut with it, stamp. Now, I do 3D projects, and I love their cardstock for 3D projects because it is a bit thicker. So you get two of the, I believe they call pumpkin. I don't remember what they call their green, but it's kind of a either green apple or kiwi, or what else would somebody call that? Maybe a spring green. Two of those. And then two of their really, really beautiful violet shade. This is a violet. Many purples, you order them and you think that they're going to be kind of purple, but they're more of a pink. This is like purple. Prince would go, ow, you know. And it's, I love this shade of purple. I just love it. But also whenever I make cards with a bunch of this in it, it's amazing. I get a lot of very positive feedback. Not just the usual like, oh my God, this is so wonderful, but people are like, I love that purple. It's so it's just great. And then two of their pitch black cardstock, which is also just very, you know, sturdy. Now here's, oh, they've given directions. Very interesting. So I guess there's the idea. And usually Hero Arts, anything that I've bought with them that's a kit, it will tell you all the different little pieces parts. I typically don't keep mine, but if you were going to just keep your items together, then you might want to keep this card because it would be telling you what it is. Oh, and sorry, and the die cuts for the items. I didn't show you that. So pretty exciting kit.